Hi everyone, welcome back. We've already seen how easy it is to add products, but what if your business is about what you do? Maybe you're a fashion designer, a makeup artist, a talented photographer, tutor, or even an event planner or graphic designer. On the XCLUSIV platform, adding a service is just as easy and as fun as adding a product. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step journey of listing your service and turning your skills into a professional business. Let's dive in. Add and sell your services on XCLUSIV. First, log into the XCLUSIV Business Dashboard. This is your command center. Since we are offering a skill today, we are going to click on Add Service. This is where the magic begins. Whether you're in a standard plan for solopreneurs or the premium plan for growing teams, you have the power to list and sell your services directly to your customers. Even if you're just starting out with our 1-month free trial, you get full access to these professional tools. Now, let's tell people what you offer. Name the service. Be clear. Is it mat tutoring or custom logo design? Describe the magic. Use simple words to explain what the customer gets. Upload a visual. Even for a service, a great photo or video helps. Set your price. Just type in the amount. Set the category and subcategory the service belongs to. Once you click Save, our AI website builder takes over. It effortlessly creates a beautiful, responsive design on your website storefront so your service looks professional on both phones and computers. And don't forget, because of our integration with social media, you can share your service link on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or LinkedIn immediately. Your fans can book your services with just a few clicks. When a client books your service, it's a big moment. Here's what happens next. The booking from your online shop appears instantly in your bookings widget. You can also manually enter the bookings from other channels like your physical shop, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. You can immediately print or share a professional receipt and invoice with your client, making you look like a pro right from day one. The platform's financial management tools records the sale, tracks your earning, and even helps with tax compliance automatically if you want. Finally, you can head over to our standard analytics dashboard. It will show you how many people are booking your services and how your business is growing through easy-to-read reports. And that's it! From listing your services to accepting your first booking, XCLUSIV handles the hardest part so you can focus on being amazing at what you do. It is professional, it is simple, and it is built just for you. Go ahead and list your service today. I can't wait to see your business shine. Happy 7!